52 times x to the third power positive 64 times x to the fourth power negative 81 equals to 0. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? We can use Desmos to solve this one. Okay, let me take the given equation in Desmos over here. That is 52 times x to the third power positive 64 times x to the fourth power negative 81 equals to 0. Okay, now to get distinct real solutions for the given equation, we have to consider the x-intercepts of the graph over here in Desmos. We can see the graph intersects x-axis three places, 1, 2, 3. And also to make sure the graph does not intersect the x-axis not in any of the places, what we can do is we can zoom out to see whether the part of the graph intersects x-axis at anywhere. No, the part of the graph does not intersect x-axis anywhere. So the graph intersects x-axis at only three places. So then the given equation has three distinct real solutions. The correct answer choice for this question is B, exactly 3.